Welcome to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to secure Apache with SSL in Docker. We will start off by preparing an SSL certificate using the openssl tool. Then we will generate an Apache configuration file to enable SSL. We will then create a Docker file, build and run Docker container based on that Docker file. Once all that is done, we can then access our secure Apache server. Let's get started. Let's start off by using the openssl tool to generate a self-signed SSL certificate and a private key valid for 365 days. And don't forget to set your country code, your state, your city, your organization name, and your common name. We can then create an Apache configuration file to specify the location of our certificate and private key. Finally, we can create our Docker file, which uses the official PHP image with Apache. As you can see, it copies our SSL certificate and private key into the image. We are ready to build the image and run the container. Finally, let us access our secure website. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.